Hello, little friends! Today we're going on a special trip to the sunny, golden desert. Look around. The sand dunes shine like waves of gold under the bright sun. Far away, camels walk slowly through the hot wind, and tall, brave cacti stand strong, keeping tiny drops of water inside. When the sun sets, the desert sky sparkles with thousands of bright stars. It may look empty, but the desert is full of magic waiting to be discovered. Wow! I've got a big foam board ready for our desert base. First, I'll paint it a warm, sandy yellow, just like the real desert. To make the path look natural, I'll sprinkle fine sand on top. It looks so real! Now let's build the scene. Some tall, rocky mountains, a tiny house in the sand, and a secret cave far away. And of course, tall green cacti reaching up to the sky. Amazing! Our wide, sunny desert is coming to life. Time to add the finishing touches. I'll start with the rocky hills. Then the round, chubby cactus plants. Little by little, everything takes shape. And there, our desert diorama is complete. Let's make our desert even more exciting. First, we'll build a big windmill next to the little house. What a great centerpiece! This path will be for our toy train track, crossing right through the sand. Next, let's plant some green cacti and add a few rocks all around. Oh, what's that? A giant dinosaur skeleton! Spooky but super cool. We'll place a straw scarecrow and some old barrels to make it feel more real. And look, from this old tree stump, fresh water flows out like a hidden treasure. Ta-da! Our desert world looks amazing now. Let's go meet the animals that live here. Do you like magic tricks? Wow! A carrot turned into a rabbit! Wow, a peanut! What's this? A kind animal with long ears and a gentle face. That's right, it's a donkey! Donkeys are hardworking and strong. They help people carry loads up steep paths. Their big ears help them hear well and stay cool. They love to eat dry grass and carrots. Donkeys are calm, kind, and patient friends. Can you spot the differences between these two pictures? Something's hiding behind that fruit basket. Oh, look at that fluffy tail. Whose is it? Yes, it's a fox. Foxes are clever, quick, and curious. Their long, thick tails help them balance when they run. They hunt at night and eat small animals, frogs, and fruit. Their soft fur keeps them warm in the cold. Foxes are smart and full of curiosity. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now 1, 2, 3. That's right, number 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, number 4. Number 6. Number 2. So, what animal are we counting today? That's right, a camel. Camels live in hot, dry deserts. They have 2 humps that store fat, so they can go days without water. Their big, soft feet help them walk easily on hot sand. Thick fur protects them from heat and dust. They're called ships of the desert because they are so strong and steady. The bulldozer is digging hard. Wait, why did it stop? Let's dig a little deeper and see what's there. Oh, it's an antelope. Antelopes live on wide, grassy plains in Africa. They have long, slim legs that help them run very fast. Their curved horns make them easy to recognize. They live in big herds to stay safe together. Gentle and graceful, antelopes are true runners of the wild. Don't throw away milk cartons, little ones. We can recycle to protect our earth. Let's see what I can make from this one. Ta-da! Can you say what animal this is? Yes, it's an elephant. Elephants are the biggest land animals. Their long trunks help them breathe, drink, and pick up food. Their large ears help them cool down. They live in families and take care of one another. Elephants are gentle giants full of love and kindness. Let's go on a boat ride with Peppa Pig. The river sparkles under the sun. But wait, what's that shadow flying across the sky? You guessed it, an eagle. Eagles are the kings of the sky. They have sharp eyes and can see prey from far away. They swoop down quickly like lightning to catch their food. Their nests are high on cliffs or tall trees. Eagles stand for courage and strength. It's roll call time at the farm. The cat is already on the roof. And there's one spot left. Let's call together. Ba-ba. Here comes our sheep. have thick, soft wool that keeps them warm. They love eating green grass in open fields. They're gentle and calm, living happily in flocks. People shear their wool to make cozy clothes. Sheep are symbols of peace and warmth. What's moving under those leaves? Let's take a peek. Oh, it's a little lizard. Lizards have scaly skin and long tails. They can run fast and climb walls easily. If they lose their tails, they can grow new ones. They love sunbathing and eating tiny bugs, small but tough. That's our clever little lizard. Ready, set, go! Our racer is moving so slowly. What animal could this be? Yes, it's a tortoise. Desert tortoises have hard shells that protect them. They move slowly but never give up. Some can live more than 100 years. They eat leaves and grasses in dry places. They teach us that slow and steady wins the race. Why are there so many ants here? Oh, they are running away? There's something here. Let's take a closer look. Aha! It's a scorpion. Scorpions live in the hot, sandy desert. They come out at night to hunt for insects. Their strong claws grab food, and their tails keep them safe. They look scary, but they help nature stay balanced. Tiny but tough, real desert warriors. This face looks mysterious. What could it be? Let's find and put the puzzle pieces together. Oh, they're moving! Ta-da! Perfect match! Yes! It's an owl! Owls have big round eyes that see in the dark. They fly silently and hunt at night. They eat mice and insects to keep farms clean. Owls live in tall trees or rocky caves. Wise and quiet, they watch over the night. Wow! This apple tree is full of fruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, something's slithering out. It's a cobra. Cobras spread their wide hoods when they feel in danger. They eat frogs, mice, and other small animals. They move so smoothly, just like a ribbon in the wind. Calm yet strong, cobras are symbols of grace and power. popsicle sticks look so tasty! Wait, why are they moving? Aha! Someone's carrying them away. Yes, it's an ant! Ants are tiny but super hardworking. They live in colonies and always help each other. Ants can carry things much heavier than themselves. They build nests underground or inside trees. Ants teach us the power of teamwork. And that's the end of our desert adventure. We built, explored, and met so many amazing animals today. Every part of the desert hides its own beautiful surprise. Thank you, little friends, for joining me on this journey. See you next time for another fun adventure. Bye-bye!